Hey everyone, this is Alex Sierra, CFP from Cetera Investors, and today I'm going to be discussing step 1 of my step-by-step guide to building generational wealth, which is stabilize. Stabilizing is the crucial first step in the journey towards building generational wealth. Stabilizing involves balancing your personal cash flow statement, which can be challenging, time-consuming, and may require some sacrifices. It begins with assessing your current cash flow situation over a few months to determine your average income and your average expenses. Stabilizing also involves categorizing your expenses into needs, wants, and wastes, and being honest with your numbers. After creating your personal cash flow statement, you'll need to analyze it to find, where you're sitting. Is your cash flow positive or is it negative? If it's positive, look for opportunities on the margins to increase income and reduce expenses. If it's zero or if it's negative, you may need to make some sacrifices in order to reduce your expenses or work hard to find a new way to increase your income. You should regularly review your cash flow statement until you achieve a consistent positive cash flow for at least 3 months. This signifies that you have officially stabilized. Regardless of your starting point, a personalized cash flow statement is essential on your journey towards building generational wealth. My aim as I create this step-by-step guide is to guide someone starting from zero toward the path of creating generational wealth. I'll be releasing a blog post on our website and a YouTube video for each step along the way. Eventually, I'll publish the guide into a book. And again, this was a breakdown of my first chapter, which was step 1, stabilize. Stay tuned for a video on each of the 10 steps and let me know your thoughts and feedbacks. Thanks everyone.